Welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find the Glacial Regulator machine in Fish It Game of Roblox Elemental Island update. Okay, first you need to unlock the seal of the Elemental Island, guys. You can go to the Elemental Island and you can watch my previous video to unlock the seal. And after you unlock this area, you're going to go to this way to find the Glacial machine, and beside the glacial machine you'll see Boreas NPC to start the glacial machine quest. Just go to this area this way, and there are machines and also NPC. Okay, this one. This is the glacial regulator machine, and you need to repair it to get reward. Let me show you the quest. Okay, this is the quest. You need to catch Stormshell Brute, which is a secret fish, and insert this fish into the machine to fix or to repair the glacial regulator machine. Okay, guys, and that's how you can find the glacial regulator machine in Fish It Game Opera Blocks Elemental Island update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.